Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a NOT logic gate. It's very simple compared to the AND and the OR logic gate, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my Arduino circuit board. I'm going to go ahead and plug in one of the jumper wires on one to the 5 volts and the other one into the ground. I'm going to go ahead and place the 5 volts onto the plus of the circuit board, and I'm going to plug in, sorry, wrong way, 5 volts on the plus and the ground onto the negative. As you can see, we already have that all set up. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my 10 kilo ohm resistor, and I'm going to go ahead and place it onto the positive, the circuit. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in right there. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my transistor, and I'm going to go ahead and position it from the collector side, which is the negative part of the side, to the actual resistor. It's right there, lining it up perfectly vertically. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my jumper wire. I'm going to start from the collector, and I'm going to go ahead and plug it all the way over here onto this side of the breadboard. It doesn't really matter where you put the jumper wire, again, just as long as your circuit is fully functional, you should be okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my LED. Note that this side is the positive, this side is the negative. Positive side is always bigger. And I'm going to go ahead and plug it in from that jumper wire all the way onto the negative side. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this jumper wire that's onto the negative side of the LED. I'm going to go ahead and place it all the way to the emitter side of the transistor. Now, everything is connected properly, because whenever we do plug in our battery, the resistor is just going to go straight through the transistor, and the LED is going to be turned on perfectly. So if we go ahead and plug that in, we can see that the LED is perfectly lit up. And again, the reason why is because the resistor from right here is passing through this whole entire circuit, right through the transistor that's going all the way to the LED right there, and then heading all the way back to ground. So now what we could do is go ahead and connect our secondary wire, our jumper wire. And what this is going to do is that it's going to basically create that NOT logic. It's going to cut off the current that's going to this LED bulb right here, and the current is just going to only flow through the transistor back to ground. So if I go ahead and connect it from the collector all the way to the base, we can see that the LED has been turned off. Again, the reason why is because the transistor, all the current is passing through the transistor, it's blocking off, or it's making another path to where instead of it going through the LED, it's just going straight to ground. And of course, if we go ahead and disconnect our new channel, then we have our LED bulb that's straight lit, and it follows the whole entire NOT logic. The only thing that would just make it not get lit up again is adding another channel onto your circuit, which is this jumper wire right here. I hope this video helps. If it does, please leave a like button. or press the like button. And I'm also going to put a link into the description for a person that made this inspiration for this circuit board, and hope to see you on the next one.